Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use Character.AI without account on mobile. So let's just begin. So you can see currently I'm on my browser. I'm going to be simply typing in here Character.AI and jump onto the platform. So you can see I'm going to be opening up with my platform. So this is how it looks, and you have all of your chats in here. So the one thing that you should be keeping in mind, that to use this platform you need an account, and you cannot use it without having no account, right? So that should be kept in mind. You can see I have my account already logged in, and I can see all of my agents, my chats and characters. So if you are looking for any way to do it without an account, unfortunately, it is not available yet, but if we have any update, I will let you know in the future. And yeah, so take care and stay tuned. See you guys around in the next video.